Welcome friends. Today I will share the monologue about movie called Annette. So you people thinking what this movie about? Why should we watch? What I comprehend? What is it so great about this movie? To find out which you should watch and listen carefully. This story combined drama, musical, romance, where a stand-up comedian named Henry and opera singer named Anne they fell in their relationship and how slowly their relation become toxic. Then in later as story progresses, Henry killed his wife Anne. Then now the ghost of Anne haunt him by their child Annette, who sings like her mother Anne. So this surprises Henry how the child sing exactly like a mother whom he killed few in later half of the story. So Henry haunted by this child, how she emanating her mother voice at the same time, and that is the stage where revenge was done by the mother through her children named Annette. As film progressed, composer accompanist came which explain how he and Anne planning to start relationship before Henry arrival in life of Anne. Annette is a child of accompanist and alleged by him, not Henry child. Then Henry killed accompanist, which Annette saw secretly. She knew her father killed her mother and accompanist. So the story when comedian and Henry and Annette met, they both fell in love and get married, and they both have one child named Annette. But their relationship not goes very well, and they used to spend before their relationship become toxic. They spend their time quite wonderfully. So one song is there which is the climax of the film, when Annette and Henry sung that song together. Thereafter, that song later used in the climax when Annette, their child, who sing that song as a to haunt Henry. So all these things are bind up in a story that when Henry killed Annette's mother, she started when Annette started to growing, she sing she pick up the singing and started to sing like her mother. But then one day she sing that song who Henry and Annette mother was sung when they were in relationship. This makes Henry totally surprised how their child Annette singing this song. This song is kept between Henry and Annette mother. So later Henry become aware that when accompanist confronted Henry, then he told him that accompanist and Anne, they both are in relationship before Henry met Anne. So in those time Henry knew himself that his children is Annette is not there. Their children Annette, their child Annette has come from the relation of the accompanist and Anne, who was actually composer in the music industry, and for that company Annette mother sings songs. So they both develop a relationship. Just after few weeks, Henry enter in Anne's life and they both get separated. So after knowing that child Annette is not their children, so Henry killed that person also. And in this minute, Annette secretly watched that how her father killed accompanist those music composer also. Then story passes away. Then in the climax of the scene is when Annette decided to give one last performance before she ended singing by forcing by her father. So she had to give one last performance, and during that performance she revealed audience that how her father killed those two person, her mother and those music composer, and that led to start the investigation, and he convicted and get caught. So movie is pretty simple, but good thing about this movie is director vision. This film is in a very musical manner. It not sound very natural when actors deliver dialogue in the manner of they singing or a song. So it's a very rare kind of film. Earlier, very few directors have attempted this kind of landscaping for the film, where actors create a story through their singing, and most of the time it not audience not found very natural. But yeah, it's a brave attempt by director and creator of the film Annette, and the very cinematography is very good and actors are very good in their work. And this movie slowly build up emotions. So when person start to watch this, he or she must be remain quite patient and watch slowly scene by scene, go with the story. And if you don't have patience, then don't watch this because it moves very slowly and might disturb your imagination, why not something happening. But it story built on a character, how character started frustrated with himself with in their life. So it's a personal exploration of the character. So this film should be watched for the his unique way of exploring medium of the music or sound editing or actor their performances, and also climax is also very good. So I recommend this film people who are looking film as a art or as a medium of something, learn from them. So these films is definitely for the people will enjoy, and I will bring more interesting films which are falls in the category of art, or where you worth something for your time and you get emotional value for those hours which you engage yourself. Okay friend, I will end this conversation or this monologue. Okay.